Okay, so unlike a lot of headlights that you can access, by popping the hood and getting your hand in there and taking the bulb out, not so with the Z4. To access it, you actually get to it by the wheel well. So turning the wheels this way or that, quite honestly, if turning it the opposite way might be easier, expose these little doors. This door is for the fog light. The door up above is for the headlight. So we need to take this and this and rotate them, and then we'll have access to the headlamp. You could probably use a flathead screwdriver for this. I am actually using the back end of this utility knife because it's broader. And I'm turning these things clockwise. Well, I'm going to try turning this top one a different direction. There we go. So there's the door. This is what the tabs look like on the back. Okay, so inside you've got, totally hard to see. Here, I'll zoom in from here. So this is the door, there's a wire across it. This has to pull off, so if you just put your finger in here and pull it, there's a connector there, and there's also a connector here. Both have to pop. There. Now we should be able to get the door off. Okay, door's off. Here's what that thing looks like. Now we can see the ballast, and the headlights are not on, and the car's not on. There. You can see you turn it left to open, right to close it. So we're going to turn it, and we're going to open it up. There we go. Okay, so that's off. Now you can start to see the bulb behind it. That's the bulb. There'll be the bulb. The bulb's just going to pull straight out. But it's got two pins, two little pins holding it in. So move that one. Just pull into the inside. There. Straight out. Now when this goes in and out, you'll notice that the bulb itself, here, I gotta back it up. This is the bulb, and you probably can't tell on the film, but the center thing looks all cloudy. But it's got that rod beside the bulb. The rod, when you put it in, is going to be straight down. So inserting it like this, pulling it out like this, you don't want to, it's going to have to be the rod straight down, not up, not sideways, straight down. So straight in, straight out, and that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to get a new bulb, plug it in, and reverse the process. Okay, so here's the new bulb. You can see it inside there, but you can see it's the top. So I'm not going to reach in and grab that. These bulbs are expensive, quite honestly. They're like about $100 a pop. So I'm going to open the bottom. That way I don't have to grab the glass, because yes, these ones I do not want to put oil or anything on. Okay, here's the new bulb. The rod's right here. We're going to orient that down, and then we're going to play just like operation and put it in. Also, the hole is that big black one up there. That's the hole I'm going to put it into right there. Okay, so the bulb is now back in there. And I've pulled the two metal clips back over it. I've got the ballast back on it. One thing you'll notice as I actually took off this wire, and the reason is I was having a hard time getting it over the bulb really easy because of just the length of it. So now I'm turning it to closed. Now that I turned it to closed, I'm going to plug back in this wire to the right side of this box. Plastic box is back on with the wire stretched back over it. Last is putting in this wheel well insert. Insert piece is in. Now it's time to check out the light. Yeah, there you go. Light bulb's in and burning. Looks good.